Okay, here is the graph chart. I bring two charts together. This is the candlesticks and here is graph chart, same pairs. So now if you analyze this area, if you try to understand what happened in this market. This is the candle starting times and candle moving like this, and this is the closing of this candle. Again try to go off, but something like this, and candle close where this is kind of doji type candle, and then it's making high and finally close here. It means this is a small bullish candle, and again trying but finally close here. It's a red candle. Okay, after open here it's trying to go down, but see it's close as a bullish candle here. So let me convert this graph as a candlesticks. So let me first draw as a 1 minute candle. This is the opening price. Just move your uh, mind here, something like this. So this is the closing price. It means this candle has a strong bullish. Upper side has only small wicks and lower side is bigger wicks. After that it started go up, down, then finally close where this is the closing point. Still this is a red candle, and this time this is the lowest price. It means candle made something like this. This is the highest price. So this is the candle. Okay, now there has strong sellers, but this candle you can see less sellers, and again suddenly went up after opening this candle and close here. It means this is completely bullish candle, but upper side has rejection. Okay, so this candle is no wicks, something uh, like strong candles without wicks, and here we can see this is a closing point. It means opening, closing. This is a green candle, upper side has strong wicks. Okay, so this is a 1 minute candlesticks. After that, if you convert this candle as a 5 minute, how it looks like: 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the closing price. This is the opening price, this is the closing price. So this candle has this much wicks. Okay, now let's say you are trading with 1 minute chart and you want some confirmation from like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So by looking at this chart you need to identify this, like this is the first 10 seconds, second, and maybe third, fourth, fifth. So now see, first candle has upper and lower wicks. This candle is no wicks, and this candle also. This candle has little wicks, and this candle no wicks. Uh, Bullish candle. These two are bullish candle. This is a bearish candle. This candle has also there is no wicks. After that, you can see this is a closing price. It means this is a doji candle, and this is the second candle. Okay, lower side has rejection, So after that, this is a doji candle, also small rejection. Then green candle here, but again we can see close as a red candle with some rejection. Okay, so after that, this is the first candle, strong buyers, again strong buyers, something like this. Again, this is a doji but lower wicks, and this candle has upper wicks. This candle is something like doji, lower wicks, and maybe this is a strong sellers candle. So by this way, just analyze and draw some candlesticks, so you will have idea how to read this and how to act with them, because you don't have time to look all the time frame, all the candlesticks. So by looking only one chart or like on time frame, you should understand all the time frame. Okay, now you can see here gradually sellers becoming stronger, but I will tell you all the secret about what you should do when strong candle forms, and when this kind of candle forms, when this kind of candle forms. So by this way, you need to understand the candlesticks and everything. Like when you look at the chart, your mind should be work as a candlesticks too. And when you are looking at the candlesticks, see, this is the candlesticks, but now we can see here only 4 history, because this is a opening price for this candle, sorry, open price for this candle, this is the highest for this candle, and low close. Now we don't know what happened inside of this candle, and for this candle, this is the opening price. After that, maybe first made a seller's entry, and then it went up to this level and close here, or maybe it went fast up to here, then it went down, again it went up and close here. So there can happen anything, we don't know, because this is already formed. So we don't know what happened in this candle. Okay, that's the reason you need to look at this candle very closely, how it is forming, how it is moving, and by this time you need to draw the things what you are trying to understand by looking this candle. So like now we want to see what happened in 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds candle, but you can identify here also. See, I saw last 30 seconds, I saw some buyer's entry now, and see, last 5-second candle made a strong bearish candle. Now you just look at this candle here, see, strong bearish candle, and last 30 seconds there was a buyer's entry, strong buyer's entry. Okay, so by this way you need to understand the candlesticks. Like when you look at the 30 minutes, there is strong sellers, but it doesn't mean that that candle formed directly something like this, open price, then it went up and close here. No, there has lot of history, something like this, and then it close here. So if we look at this chart, and if we look at this candle, this is 30 minutes. Okay, and if you make it 30 minutes, so see, maybe this is first 30 minutes candle. So this is the strong candle, upper side has small wicks. Okay, but lower side has no wicks, and this is the next candle. It's forming something like this. It's went down first, maybe first for uh, 10 minutes or something like this, and now it's like a doji type candle with rejection. So now let's see what happened here. Yeah, this is now it's went up already from here to here. That's the reason we can see here green candle. So by this way you need to understand the candlesticks, because why I'm focusing uh, on this chart and this chart lot of times, because our works only with these candlesticks. So you should understand these candlesticks very clearly. There should not have any doubt about identify the candlesticks and what is going on in. See here, now if you draw, there is like green candle, and now it's kind of doji type. See here, yeah, kind of doji type. So when you see this chart, you can identify that candlesticks too. Or when you see these candlesticks, you should have like how to combine this candle. I already explained a lot of times these things, because now this is a 1 minute candlesticks. Okay, so if you want to see the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you don't have a lot of time to uh, change the chart and take decision. So now we already know this is a 1 minute candlesticks. So if you want to see 2 minute candlesticks, now see, this is the 2 minute, this is the opening price. Let me zoom it a little so that we can identify more. This is a 2 minute candlesticks. So let's start from this left side here. This is the opening price and closing price is here. So this is a doji candle. After that, opening closing same and open here. This is also doji with lower rejection. So closing and opening, this is a bullish candle with some wicks at tops and bottoms, and this is closing opening. It means this is also kind of doji, and closing opening, this is a green candle. Closing opening, strong sellers candle. Closing opening, so there has sellers too, because we can see there is a wicks. Closing opening, so this candle has both side wicks. Closing opening, so lower side has more wicks and upper side is small wicks. Closing opening, so something like this. Okay, so by this way, now I'll tell all about this, but you need to understand this chart properly, because this is the base. If you don't know how to convert this chart, how to see the chart, how to read the chart, how to read the candle, you will not able to understand which way you should go. Like uh, after this strong, this is a rejection. It means most of the traders are thinking, okay, this is a level, round number two, and strong rejection. From here we can see buyers entry. Strong rejection, it means I should go with buyers for this candle. Okay, but if you check these things, what you should be do, so I'll tell you everything in coming session. Understand what is happening here. See, strong sellers, you can see strong sellers. So by doing this, also you can draw some levels here too, like this is a level. Okay, every time it's hitting this level and going up, hit the levels, going up, again hit the levels, going up. So you don't need to understand the candlesticks too. Now you can see here movement, and if you look this chart, you will have also idea what is happening in this market. See, for example, this was a downtrend here previously. Okay, it's maintaining all the way, but here you can see trend has been broken here, and before it broken, market already gave you some sign, because every time made a new low, new low, new low. This time didn't made new low, and after hitting it's trying, but finally went up. So this is the sign, and this is the breakout candle for this uh, short time frame. Okay, after that still maybe major trend is down, so still it's going down, but it's holding this line through, and as soon as hit this level again, see there is flat movement, like three bottoms pattern, 1 2 3. Now the market is respecting this level. So if you check only this mass history, you will now understand what you should do here, because strong downtrend, trend has been broken, again it's going down, because maybe major trend is down or something is there, but here we can see there is no breakout here in this line, and before breakout it's uh, made a pattern, strong pattern here. See, every time hitting this level, and after that also you can see this is a down, strong sellers, again buyers tried, hit this level, again buyers enter. This time, see, every time made a new low here. This is a high, but this time made low, and this is a high, low, low. It went up and is still maintaining this line, but after that, see, after that it didn't broke this level. This line will comes later, but it didn't cross this line, trend line, and again it went almost to this level. It means if the market will follow the trend, then this was supposed to not go off. It supposed to back from maybe this level, lower something like this, but it made a same high, and this time even this time, see, it's gradually making high, but finally here we can see it's broken this line, and this is a support again, and there now is two support, 1 2, and this is 1 2, and now market is following this trend. So by this way you need to understand the candlesticks, and you need to clear about all the doubt how the candlesticks forming and how the history behind this. Okay, now you can see this was a previous trend, now it's broken here, it's trying, and before broken, now you can see before broken, this is every time made high, but here it didn't went up, and little break here, but finally again it didn't made even this much high after that break. So everything I will tell you in the coming session. So this is the candlesticks. This is all about candlesticks, how the candlesticks forming, and how it behave, how we should read this candlesticks.